And welcome my friend, and 10 important thing why my headlights are not working, and I found the issue. I have issue in my fuse box, and let's go to look at how I managed to find this broken fuse. Okay, and here is this our fuse box, and there is really switch in here. This is the trick. And when I press this that side and I pull out, then this cover opens. It is ideal to press in a little bit in that way. That way. And then when I press that down, we check that these joints are in this position. Look. But now this opening, I press that, and then important thing, I check that I don't broken these joints. Carefully I take away and I check that these parts are okay. And if you broke this cover, you can purchase new cover from Toyota dealership center from this spare part desk, and this cost about $20 US. And now why I rotate that, there is thing that now we can see in here that where are our fuses, and there is these fuses headlight. And here we can maybe see headlight, low head, headlight. This is low, right, left head, right head, left low, and then right low. These 4 fuses, and then when I install this in this, the idea is to install that in this position, that we can compare these things. Okay, now it's okay. We check that these positions are same. Sorry. and now purpose is to check that these numbers 30 are in here, 30 good. And then when I clean that, I can see that there is 10 ampere fuses in here, and these are my similar fuses than we have in here, these headlight fuses. Okay, and if I have any issues, I need to replace all of these 4 fuses in here. And let's go to do that job, that how we replace that. And for that purpose, there is small tool, fuse replace tool in here, and I need to only press that in here, little bit open, and then in here, and then I pull out in that way. In here, this is first fuse, and then second. Okay, and this is broken. Okay, look. Okay, why my headlights are bad? Okay, good. And this is the issue. And then I take also in that one. And if we have any issues, I recommend that we purchase all of these 4 fuses new. And we can get, an idea is to purchase red, this is red color, and 10, this is the important, just 10 amperes. Same size always. Do not ever install in this lot like 30 or 50 ampere fuse. Okay, and this is important, and we can get these new fuses from the nearest Toyota dealership sales center. We walk in this spare part desk and we ask that, hey, this is my car's register number or body number, and then they will sell these fuses to us. And this cost about $2 US per piece. And then when we have these new fuses, we install these. We can install that in any place, but in professional way is to install in same way like in these, that numbers are in there, in that way. This is first one, and then 3 more in here. and I will purchase these new fuses and soon I install this in back.